You are not answering the
You're
question,
not-
Mr. Oñate.
Sino
Please listen to the question of Senator Senator Binay.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong yung...
Yeah, tinatanong ka kung sino. Please answer.
I know her. Okay, yes.
Hindi nga. From the very
Former
beginning, there was really an intention to castrate the Senate.
Attorney, but apparently itong PI na to is just the first step towards charter change, right? Ano talaga yung end goal nyo? Anong papalitan nyo? Was it, what, term limits ba was part of that?
Well, I don't have a specific or structure already in mind. Of course, definitely, economic provisions have to be dealt with. Not just because we want an open economy. Actually, it's more because the CONCOM should not have legislated what Congress could legislate. Meaning, you can be protectionist.
De,
but
bakit hindi na lang yun yung nilagay niya dun sa initiative nyo? Kung economic provisions talaga. Kung yun yung, kumbaga, goal yung palitan.
But hindi na lang diniretso sa economic provisions, di ba?
well, you can back me up or know this, but when it was discussed with me, they wanted to operationalize
Who
the
was
constituent
they?
Mr. Oñate, the other petitioners. No?
Pero akala ko kayo ni Attorney Garbin, na mga abogado, kayo ang nag-draft. Bakit si Mr. Oñate tinuturo
pero
ninyo ngayon?
pero di ba ikaw yung mas may alam pagdating dun sa Constitution? In fact, you were saying na was your advocacy. So why this provision, di ba? Why not go through the economic provisions? Diniretso na.
They wanted,
Kasi yung unang-una, yung ad na pinalabas nyo, yung EDSA Puera, very misleading kasi hindi naman yun yung tanong nung PI eh. 'Di ba? Wala naman ditong education, walang dun sa commercial nyo. So, kumbaga may disconnect na dun sa ginagawa niyong communication, dun sa actual na pinapipirma.
Madam Nancy, Senadora Nancy, my understanding is the reason why it's only voting jointly is because in the People's Initiative, we can only propose one item. So the reason why they zeroed in, it was explained to me, I'm not a lawyer, okay? It was explained to me,
Who explained to you? Who explained to you?
Jointing both.
Sir Noel,
Voting jointly
hindi nga, sino ho nagpaliwanag sa inyo?
that the Senate and the House will be combined in a constituent assembly. And then
Yeah.
the
Sir-
senators
sir,
and the congressmen will no longer be senators and congressmen, they will be constituent assemblymen.
Yeah. Sino ho nagturo sa inyo niyan? Si Attorney Abad ho ba ang nagpaliwanag sa inyo na ganyan?
No, some of the other proponents of
Like
People's
who?
Initiative.
Like who
And
po?
then this
Hindi, Sino po?
constituent-
Sino po?
Constituent assembly.
Hindi.
You are not answering the
You're
question,
not-
Mr. Oñate.
Sino
Please
nag-
listen to the question of Senator Senator Binay.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong yung...
Yeah, tinatanong ka kung sino. Please answer.
I know her. Okay, yes.
Hindi nga.
Tinatanong ka lang ho kung sino ho yung Kasi apparently, hindi nyo alam na parang kailangan may magpaliwanag sa inyo kung bakit ito yung proposal. So, sino ho yung nag-convince sa inyo para ito yung itanong? Was it Attorney Garbin? Was it Attorney Abad? Was it
Yeah, my
Attorney
lawyers.
Avisado?
My lawyers.
Madam Chair, my understanding was when this was discussed,
Who discussed it?
the group, we are only allowed to propose amendments on one subject. And there is a sentiment which was expressed during the last hearing that the door to charter change has always been closed from the House to the Senate. Sarado ho yung pintuan. And the best way is to propose
sure?
amendment
Are
on
you
the...
sure?
Yan po yung
Are you
testimony, not personally, Mr. Senator, yan ho yung testimony ni Attorney Garbin, who was
So
the
from the very
former
beginning, there was really an intention to castrate the Senate. Yun talaga gusto ninyo kasi jointly kagad ang pinasok
Wait,
ninyo
so
eh.
si Attorney
No, Your
Garbin
Honor.
ho nag-isip, si Congressman Garbin.
The group ho, kasi Attorney Garbin happened to be the former chairman of constitutional reforms in Congress. So, and also in the interviews of former Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, yun din po yung sentiment. That's why it was a consensus of that group that to propose amendments through people's initiative, since one subject lang naman kami, itong voting requirement na. It may be very unpopular and very antagonistic on the Senate. Pasensya na po talaga ho kayo. But that is the campaign of the Group on People's Initiative. Thank you po.
And hindi ho kayo nagsalita na Attorney Abad na, I mean, dun sa group wala man lang nagsabi na, wait lang ha, baka magkaroon ng resistance kasi nilulusaw natin yung, dinidiminish natin yung power ng Senate. Kasi hindi lang voting jointly, pati yung provision na dapat Speaker and Senate President yung pwedeng mag-call. Ginawa yung Speaker or Senate President. So talagang there was that intent to diminish the power of the Senate, which runs against the spirit of the Constitution na kailangan bicameral yung setup ng House tsaka ng Senado.
I had no hand in the drafting of the signature form.
But you agreed to it. Tama po ba? You agreed to this provision. Tama po ba? Naniniwala kayo na...
Voting jointly because there will be a constituent assembly composed of congressmen and senators and they will be the ones that will discuss all of the possible changes, economic, and so on. And I
Hindi
believe
po
that...
ba may interview kayo? You had an interview where you stated that deliberately you included jointly in order to diminish the
No, the
potentially
interviewer asked me,
antagonistic votes of the
the
Senate.
interviewer asked me, so madadilute ang Senate dyan. So I said,
Oo.
yes, nadadilute. But I believe that congressmen and senators, they are highly educated, they are
Ang
bright
tanong ko lang ho,
people.
bakit wala ho kayong-
They are not robots.
Actually,
they,
Mr.
they
Hernandez,
are not
parang sinabi
robots.
po
And
ninyo
then
na
they will discuss,
nasadya
and
yun.
debate, and argue.
Hindi, ang tanong ko lang din ho, bakit wala kayong kinausap sa Senado? I've heard names from Congress, but I've never heard na may kinausap kayong former senator
Daming
or incumbent
pro-chacha rito,
senator.
ang daming pro-economic provisions, hindi rin tutol ang karamihan sa PI kasi nasa saligang batas. Bakit nga kami hindi kinausap?
No, bakit hindi niyo ho kami kinausap?
Well, without hanging in the air, I'd like to excuse Attorney Chel Diokno. I think he's busy. If there's anything you'd like to add to this very difficult discussion po.
None anymore. Thank you so much, Madam Chair and all your honors.
Yes, maraming salamat. Who's raising his hand? Yes,
Madam Chair.
Sanlakas po.
Madam Chair, before we go
yes,
dun sa, can we just get an answer why the Senate was not consulted? Or why
balikan
senators were not
natin.
consulted? Considering na malaking epekto itong ginawa nilang provision. Siguro Attorney Abad or Mr. Oñate. Bakit hindi ho...
What's the question again, Madam Senadora?
Hindi kasi parang, di ba ho, nag-meeting kayo with the Speaker. How come there was no effort to meet with the Senate President?
I was told that Congress already filed more than 300 resolutions regarding charter change, but all those 300 resolutions were ignored by the Senate.
And just
Yun
because...
lang sabi sa akin.
Sino ho nagsabi sa inyo?
Yung mga kasamahan namin.
Like who?
Congressman Garbin, Congressman, and then my lawyers, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez.
Yung mga nilapitan
kaya
yung...
gagawin daw jointly na dahil hindi binabasura lang ng Senado lahat ng mga resolution about charter change. 300 plus na daw.
tapos naniwala ho kayo sa kanila. I mean, you didn't even bother, di ba? Malay nyo, itong present setup ng Senado mas open sa usapin ng charter change? Was there an effort or no effort at all?